Hello everyone, this is Tirtharaj Mukherjee. In our previous video, you were introduced to the concept of EDA or Exploratory Data Analysis. In this video, it will be expanded upon further. We saw how data which is clean and free from all kinds of impurities is fit for analysis, and also it is suitable for a machine learning model building purpose. The whole concept was demonstrated using specifically focusing upon a country called Apple, wherein all the distractions around that country were removed, its important specifications or characteristics were displayed, they were classified according to their types, and only the significant stadiums or the features you can say were considered, leaving all the insignificant stadiums discarded because they were not serving any purpose. We also saw a tabular example in which we removed the useless column which was not helping us from the model building perspective. We categorized the types of columns as continuous, qualitative and categorical in nature. We identified the target variable which was price, and also we treated the missing values in this table according to the type of the column in which they existed as median or mode respectively. In this video, we will be seeing the types of plottings that are done and the relationship and relationship strength tests visually and statistically. Now, when a column, it can be dependent or independent, anything, when it is numerical in nature or continuous in nature, the plot used to display it is called a histogram. And when that variable is categorical in nature, the plot used to display it is called a bar plot. Now, when the target variable and predictor variable both are continuous in nature, the visual plot used to display the relationship strength test is called a scatter plot, and the statistical test for the same is called the correlation test. When the target variable is continuous in nature and the predictor variables are categorical in nature, the visual plot for the same is called a box plot, which displays the strength of relationship, and the statistical test is called the Annova test or analysis of variance test. Similarly, when the target variable is categorical in nature and when the predictor variables are continuous in nature, the same concept applies here as well. Like the previous slide, the visual plot is called a box plot and the statistical test is called the Annova test. And lastly, when the target variable or the dependent variable is categorical in nature and the predictor variable or the independent variable or independent variables are categorical in nature, the visual plot used to display the relationship strength is called the grouped bar plot, and the statistical test for the same is called the chi-square test or Pearson's chi-square test. This is all that you need to understand the concept of EDA from the basic and fundamental level. That was all for this video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed the content. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, hit the bell icon to be notified of every video upload, and stay tuned for more such amazing content.